Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching an elevated command prompt so system-level disk tools can run. First, make sure you have backed up any important files. Once done, note the drive letter you will clean. You will use built-in utilities, so administrator rights matter. Now type disk part and press enter to enter the disk partition environment. This is the first actionable step. Make sure disk part shows the prompt before you continue, because proceeding without it wastes time and risks errors. Once in disk part, list disk to display available drives and their sizes so you pick the correct target. You then select disk N, replacing N with the disk number you identified, and verify with detail disk if unsure. After selecting, use clean to remove partition/volume information or clean all to 0 sectors for secure wiping. Clean all takes much longer but overwrites data. Make sure you see the success message and do not interrupt the operation when sectors are being zeroed. After cleaning, recreate a usable volume by running create partition primary, then format fs equals ntfs quick to prepare the file system. You can use xfat or FAT32 instead for compatibility. Once formatted, assign letter equals x or another free letter and exit disk part, then verify in File Explorer. If anything goes wrong, check that you ran cmd as administrator. Confirm the disk is online and not read-only, and use disk parts attributes disk clear read-only to clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.